We are reviewing this Medline steel Rollator Walker with seat. It takes up to 350 pounds. Wheels are of 6 inches. It is foldable, adjustable handles. It has gotten 4.5 ratings on the Amazon, bestseller in Amazon, and more than 22,000 people have bought this, and more than 10,000 people have bought this in past month only. So this is the picture here. 4 wheels are there, comes with a seat and a pouch below it, so you can keep your things here like water bottle, some snacks while walking, and when you get tired you can sit on it. Got 2 handles and brake system, so those who need assistance for walking when recovering from an injury or have pain from arthritis, they can use this. Durable steel frame, it mentions it supports up to 350 pounds. Easily customizable, the height of the handles can be adjusted as per the height of the patient, and it is foldable. You can fold it and put it in your car trunk, and it's lightweight too. So this is the video. So this is basic steel rolling walker, comes in different parts. You have to assemble it. So only the wheels and the handles need to be attached, rest of it are welded together. So I think welding looks flimsy kind of thing, but let's look how they assemble it. So screws are fine, they are secure. You have to identify which will go in the front part and which will go in the rear part, but you can see the rear part has a wire attached to it, so it's easier to identify. You can watch this video and easily assemble it. So the handles go here, and you can adjust the height and put the screws on. So very easy to assemble. You can do it yourself, no assistance required, and the wire can be secured here. There is a backrest too, so you can relax whenever you get tired while walking. So nice feature, very good rating on Amazon. Let's look at some real reviews too. Customers find the walker easy to assemble and use. It works well for them, is lightweight and easy to maneuver around. Many consider it a good value for the price. However, some have differing opinions on its build quality and size. One user writes, if you put too much weight on this, the weld part will come off. So this user is around 100 pounds, and since this walker says it can take up to 350 pounds, so it should have taken the weight of 100 pound. But the user says if you lean too much onto it, it can break at the weld part. Either this specific walker may be defective, or there is some issue with the welding area, but you can contact the customer service, and if there is any defect in the product, you can get it replaced and get a new one. However, always remember that do not put your entire weight, do not lean on the front so that your entire weight comes onto this part. It may break off and you may wind up in the emergency room. That you have to keep in mind. So although it says 350 pounds, but your entire weight should not be put on it. Another user says easy to assemble and light. So most of the users says that it's good to use. Mobile walker, smooth, the quality is amazing for the price. Roll smooth, quiet, very sturdy, love it. So if you move around with it, the wheels roll very nicely, and there is a seat also. When you get tired you can sit, but always remember, if you are on heavier side, take precaution while sitting on it. And there is a pouch also where you can put your things. That this user has put a 13-inch MacBook, so you can estimate the size of the pouch. You can put a bin in the pouch so that pouch doesn't get dirty, and you can easily move around with the help of this roller walker. The price is only $46, so not much price. 4.5 average rating on Amazon is a very nice rating. Currently the sale is going on, so it's available in just $46. The list price is $64. I will put the link in the description. You can buy from there. Thanks for watching.